Hey everyone, Zed at RU Cars. We are back with this 2014 64 registered Volvo V40. This one is a D3 R Design Luxe. It's finished in the Caspian blue with the black R Design interior. It's done 76,000 miles, full history, and a mega spec. It looks the part on the Ixion wheels. It's got the driver support pack, so you get radar cruise, adaptive xenon lights, lane assist, blind spot monitoring. I'll talk you through some more of the features in a second, but as you can see, it is very clean. All of the wheels are unmarked. It's had recent discs and pads. It's got the genuine Volvo exterior pack, which is the rear half of the side skirts and the rear bumper spats, as you can see there. They are a proper Volvo option. Park assist, reverse camera, privacy glass, got your R Design diffuser at the back there. Really nice car. It's got a fixed glass roof, Harman Kardon audio, heated seats, full media pack. It's about as fully loaded as you will get for one of these. It's even got a spare wheel. Let's show you inside. We'll begin with the boot. Good size boot on these V40s. They do have split folding rear seats. This one's not doggy or anything like that. Got your genuine Volvo floor mats. Beneath here is a bit extra storage, and then again beneath that is your spare wheels or your toolkit, your jack and wheelbase, etc. Your parcel shelf is present, as you can see there. On the back, the seats don't look as though they've really been used. Oh, bless me. I think we've got a cup holder just there. Got the centre armrest, Isofix, and that big glass roof that I was talking about earlier. Same again in the front. Again, really clean. R Design leather, super soft. Driver's memory seat, folding mirrors, auto lights, wipers, your blind spot monitoring there. We've got 76,086 miles on the clock. Just put the key in and start the car for you. It is due a service that will be carried out by us. It's all included within the price. But as you see, no warnings other than that. At the top there, you'll see it has got Harman Kardon. Centre console is all in super condition. Got that blue glow, which is nice. Park assist just there. Your lane assist and your collision warning, I think they call that. Heated seats. Reverse camera. Your DAB radio, your generic FM AM, Bluetooth, hard disk drive, iPod USB, all of the inputs, Bluetooth telephone, as well as your navigation. Cup holders in the centre. That's about it. Really well spec'd this is. These are not normally this well spec'd. So don't miss out, do give us a call on 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you do require finance, we can always help with that. Thanks for watching.